So I'm boiling some parsnips and potatoes and a couple boiled eggs because I'm going to actually make some Scotch eggs. So that is the avocado. How about that? Abby's like, I'll use my egg mixture or my dry mixture for my Scotch eggs. I have rolled oats on the bottom, whole wheat flour on top, a little cornstarch. I'm going to season to taste with some salt, pepper, probably some oregano, basil, and yeah, probably turkey. So here is the sausage one, the traditional Scotch egg. I am going to help it out because I did not put this in a deep enough dish. But the sausage one is frying up nicely. Hallelujah. Yeah, the sausage one is frying it nicely. I'm actually going to turn that down a little bit. And I just want the sausage to get done and the outside to be crispy. Alright, here's the avocado one. I'm going to let it brown a little bit before I roll it. The sausage one came out pretty decent. Nice. But yeah, we'll see how the avocado does. It's firm. It's firm. I might have a winter chicken dinner here.